Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to download videos on Bluesky. All right. I have two options here for you. First one is by using the IDM. All right. If you're using a Windows computer, this one will work. As you can see here, when I make my screen focus on the video right here, as you can see, we'll be able to see a download this video button. What we're going to do is just basically click on download this video, and you will be landed to the quality section. All right. As you can see here, you can download this either 6040p or 1280p HD. All right, let's say, for example, I'm going to download this one right here, and I'm going to start the download and wait for the process to finish. Now, to get IDM, just go ahead over to your favorite browser again and type in IDM, hit enter, and in here, you'll be able to see download. All right, just click on it and wait for the website to load. Once done, just go ahead over to this green button right here, which says Download Internet Download Manager. Click on it. And shortly, there will be a download page. Just go ahead and start the download. Once it's done downloading, just go ahead and install it, restart computer or browser, and proceed with the steps that I've just shown you. All right. Now, while it's downloading, I can just go ahead and show you the other method. All right. You can do this on both mobile and a computer version. All right. In here, just go ahead and look for the video itself. Now, you can see here, there's a share button right here. I'm just going to click or tap on it if you are using mobile device. Now, what we're going to do next is just type in Bluesky downloader. All right, click on it. Now, here in the first link, click on it, which it says bskydownloader.com. Now, in here, just go ahead and select your preferred format. All right, there are just basically two options, MP4 or TS, which is MPEG-TS, which works on WhatsApp. All right. I'm just going to hit on MP4 and paste the link right here. All right. As you might remember, we just copy the link of the video itself. Now it's posted in here. What we're going to do is just click on process video. All right. On mobile, go ahead and open up your favorite browser and just follow the same process. All right. As you can see here, it's done. I'm just going to go ahead and hit on download video, hit on save. And in here, as you can see in my desktop, this one is the IDM version, and this one is from Bluesky Downloader. And that's basically how you download videos on Bluesky. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.